Linked Empire Review 2026. Are you tired of spending hours on LinkedIn just to get zero real leads? What if you could automate your LinkedIn growth, find high-quality prospects, and close clients without cold messaging or running ads? Stay with me, because that's exactly what I'm breaking down today. Today we're reviewing Linked Empire, a brand new all-in-one LinkedIn growth and lead generation system that promises to turn your LinkedIn profile into a 24/7 client attraction engine. It claims to find prospects, automate outreach, create content, and even help you land high-ticket clients, all on autopilot. What is Linked Empire? Linked Empire is a software platform that uses automation and AI to help you do what most business owners and pros struggle with on LinkedIn: finding the right audience, sending personalized messages, following up consistently, and turning connections into paying clients without manual outreach. How it works: 3 simple steps. Step 1. You discover targeted prospects using smart filters and automated prospect maps. Step 2. Linked Empire automatically sends connection requests, personalized messages, and follow-ups using AI-driven campaigns. Step 3. You track your leads, manage conversations, and convert warm prospects into clients, partnerships, or sales. Key features you'll love. Inside Linked Empire you get AI-powered LinkedIn outreach automation, multi-step follow-up sequences, smart audience and prospect finder, LinkedIn content creator with AI built-in analytics and campaign dashboard, Chrome extension for real-time automation, and more. Basically, everything you need to build authority, get more leads, and drive sales, all from LinkedIn. Pricing and value. What's crazy is that this system normally sells for $97 per month, but right now you can grab one-time access for just $29 with 0 monthly fees. That means full access to all tools, updates, and even a commercial license to offer LinkedIn services to clients. Real results and social proof. Users report dramatic improvements, better response rates, more conversations, more booked calls, and more consistent leads. Many say their response rates and overall visibility went up just by automating what used to take hours. Who is it for? If you're a business owner, coach, consultant, freelancer, or agency owner struggling to turn LinkedIn into a lead machine, Linked Empire could be the difference maker you've been searching for. Click the link below to get Linked Empire today for the lowest possible price before it goes up.